Today we're going to break down this insane viral video DJ routine by Sergi Ales.
It's, it's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday then, it's Friday then.
Sergi Ales is an open format DJ known for his awesome Instagram DJ posts and sick turntablist skills. And his Friday DJ routine has over 400,000 likes on Instagram, so check him out and show him some love. Now, I know this routine heavily relies on sick scratching and fast hands, but don't worry. I've recreated a simpler version of this transition that any beginner or pro can do with no problems at all, be it on Rekordbox DJ or Serato.
It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday
So what makes Sergi's original routine cool is that it involves scratching, tone playing, and fast echo activations and sample triggering. And the key of this routine involves the word then and pitch manipulating that word sample to match the tonal riff of the song Push the Feeling.
It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday.
So in order to perform my recreation of his routine, you're going to need to download the DJ edits I used, and don't worry, they're all free. And you can download them over here or down below. Now if you're a member of my channel, you get to download a special version of this DJ edit which will enable you to incorporate this routine into your own DJ mix. So once you've downloaded the edits, let's proceed on with this routine recreation simplification. Now the first thing we need to do is prepare our tracks and cue point them. So to save some time, please copy these cue points and their respective time positions. With that done, and with your tracks loaded up, let's proceed on to doing the first step of this routine. So the first thing you need to do is play your sample track via its cue point A section. Then, when the sample reaches its end, play the instrumental track via its cue point A section.
It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday.
Then when the instrumental's tones are playing, trigger the sample track's cue point A section multiple times. Then trigger its cue point B section 4 times. Then trigger its cue point C section once.
It's Friday then.
The second section involves performing the Push the Feeling tone play. So the pattern to press these cue points to perform the melody is this. Now before we move on any further, if you guys want to ensure that you nail this DJ trick live in your DJ sets, you guys gotta check out Young Guru's online class on how to DJ from setup to soundcheck. There he teaches you a bunch of things, like how to set up your equipment, how to make sure everything sounds right, and just how to have an overall better and smoother time DJing live. So if you want to check out that DJing live masterclass and a whole lot more, the first 1,000 people who use the link down below will receive a 1-month free trial to Skillshare Premium. And Skillshare is an online learning community that offers membership with meaning. With over 20,000 classes in graphic design, music production, songwriting, and more, you're pretty much set for life if you want to learn anything new, efficiently, effectively, and economically, because Skillshare is super affordable. So make 2021 a year where you explore new skills, deepen existing passions, and get lost in creativity with Skillshare's online classes. Anyway, let's go back to performing this amazing routine. So once you've memorized that tone play pattern, the next step involves playing that melody twice, then triggering the instrumental's cue point B section. reach this specific section of the track, you can scratch things out like Sergi does. But since not everyone can freestyle scratch, it's up to you if you want to do anything on this section. But for your convenience though, I've already included the all scratch sample in the sample track. And that's it. And if you're still watching this video, let me know who you are by commenting who you want me to break down next down below and include a star emoji in your comment. And with that said, thank you so much for watching everyone, and I will see you all in the next one.